This animal can break into places it's never seen before. Here are 3 insane facts about raccoons. In studies at the University of Wyoming, raccoons were able to pick complex locks and still remember how to do it years later. They have extremely sensitive front paws, with over 4 times more sensory receptors than most mammals, almost like human hands. And raccoons can rotate their hind feet 180 degrees, letting them climb down trees head first. So if a raccoon wants inside something, it's probably already figured it out.